Windows are one of the most important elements of any home, providing natural light, ventilation, and a connection to the outdoors. For homeowners in Washington, where weather conditions can vary from hot and humid summers to cold, snowy winters, keeping your windows in good condition is crucial. Regular window maintenance not only enhances the aesthetics of your home but also boosts its energy efficiency, extends the lifespan of your windows, and improves indoor comfort. In this article, we will explore the reasons why window maintenance is essential for homes in Washington and offer tips on how to keep your windows in top condition year-round. Protecting against weather damage. Washington's diverse climate can take a toll on your windows over time. Whether it's the intense summer heat or the harsh winter cold, exposure to these elements can cause significant wear and tear. Regular maintenance helps prevent damage caused by weather and keeps your windows functioning properly. Preventing water damage. During the winter, freezing temperatures and snow can cause condensation to build up on your windows. Over time, if left unaddressed, this moisture can lead to wood rot, mold growth, and other water damage. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning and checking seals, helps prevent water from seeping into your window frames, keeping your home dry and damage-free. Avoiding drafts. Windows in homes built in older eras or with worn-out seals can let in cold drafts during the winter or allow cool air to escape during the summer. These drafts can make your home less comfortable and drive up heating and cooling costs. Inspecting window seals and replacing worn weather stripping can help maintain a consistent temperature inside your home and keep energy bills under control. Improving energy efficiency. In Washington, where temperatures fluctuate significantly throughout the year, maintaining energy efficiency is a key concern for homeowners. Proper window maintenance can make a big difference in reducing energy loss and improving your home's comfort. Check window seals. Over time, the seals around your windows can wear down, allowing air to leak in or out. This can lead to higher heating and cooling costs. Checking seals regularly and replacing damaged or old weather stripping will help keep your windows energy efficient. Ensuring that your windows are properly sealed will prevent heat loss in the winter and minimize heat gain in the summer. Cleaning the glass. Dirt, debris, and grime can accumulate on the glass, reducing the amount of sunlight entering your home. Regularly cleaning your windows allows more natural light to flood your living spaces, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day and lowering your energy consumption. By keeping your windows properly sealed and clean, you can significantly enhance your home's energy efficiency and enjoy lower utility bills. Extending the life of your windows. Like any other part of your home, windows require regular care to keep them in good condition. Well-maintained windows last longer and perform better, meaning you won't need to replace them prematurely. By investing time in proper maintenance, you'll extend the lifespan of your windows and delay the need for costly replacements. Lubricating moving parts. For windows with moving components, such as sliding windows or casement windows, the tracks and hinges should be lubricated regularly. Doing so ensures smooth operation and prevents wear and tear on the moving parts. A small amount of lubricant on the tracks will keep windows opening and closing effortlessly, preventing unnecessary stress on the mechanism. Inspecting frames and glass. Regularly inspect the frames and glass for any signs of damage. Cracks in the glass or frame can compromise the integrity of the window and reduce its efficiency. Catching small issues early on can prevent bigger problems later, saving you money on repairs or replacements. Maintaining aesthetic appeal. Your windows are a prominent feature of your home's exterior and interior, and maintaining their condition is important for preserving the overall appearance of your property. Cleaning and polishing. Over time, dirt, smudges, and water spots can dull the appearance of your windows. Regular cleaning, both inside and out, helps keep them sparkling and clear, allowing you to enjoy unobstructed views and bright, inviting rooms. Frame touch-ups. Wooden window frames, in particular, require regular painting or staining to protect them from moisture, pests, and weathering. Ensuring your frames are painted or sealed properly can prevent deterioration and keep them looking fresh. If you have vinyl or aluminum frames, a simple cleaning will maintain their appearance and prevent discoloration or wear. Keeping your windows clean and well-maintained ensures that they continue to enhance your home's curb appeal, making a good first impression on visitors or potential buyers. Enhancing home security. Windows aren't just there for aesthetic purposes, they also play a critical role in keeping your home secure. A poorly maintained window could become a vulnerable entry point for burglars or intruders. Check locks and latches. The locks on your windows should function properly to keep unwanted visitors out. Regularly check that all locks and latches are working as they should, and replace any that are broken or worn out. A well-maintained locking mechanism is essential for keeping your home safe. Check for structural integrity. A cracked window or a rotting frame can weaken the overall structure of the window, making it easier for an intruder to break in. Inspecting your windows regularly helps identify potential security risks before they become a problem. Regular professional inspection. While regular maintenance can be done by homeowners, it's also wise to have your windows professionally inspected every few years. A window expert can assess the condition of your windows and offer solutions to improve their performance, ensuring they continue to function at their best. Conclusion. In Washington, where the weather is unpredictable and energy efficiency is key, regular window maintenance is crucial for protecting your home from the elements, maintaining comfort, and prolonging the life of your windows. By cleaning, inspecting seals, and keeping your windows well maintained, you can enhance your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and security. Taking the time to invest in window maintenance ensures that your home remains comfortable, safe, and energy efficient for years to come. Don't wait for problems to arise. Regular maintenance today will save you time, money, and hassle in the future.